Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening Google Maps and signing into your account so your history and saved places sync. Search the address or zoom to the area, then drag Pegman onto any blue highlighted street to drop into Street View. Once placed, click and drag to pan in 360 degrees, use the on-screen arrows to move along the road, and scroll or pinch to zoom. Make sure to toggle between Map and Street View to orient yourself before deeper exploration. Continue by learning the navigation tools to move purposefully. Use the arrow icons or keyboard arrows for stepwise movement, or click and drag for free rotation. On mobile, swipe and pinch. Tap the compass to recenter north and the timeline slider to view older Street View captures when available, which helps compare changes over time. Make use of the info card to jump to a business listing or report a problem, and enter full screen for clear. Finish by capturing and sharing what you find. Click Share to copy the Street View URL or grab embed code for a website, and drop a pin or save to a list for later. Once done, use the measurement tool in map mode to check distances from the view. If imagery is outdated, blurred, or shows privacy issues, select Report a Problem, choose the issue, and submit. Google reviews reports and may update imagery. If nothing updates, try clearing cache or using a different device as a troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.